Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to compile your SASS files directly into CSS inside VS Code editor. So there is an extension right here which compiles your SASS documents directly into CSS. So let me just create a SASS file here. The extension is SCSS, and if I paste some code right here, you will see this is a SASS file here. We have declared a bunch of variables. So if I want to compile it into CSS file, just go to the extensions tab and just type this extension live SASS compiler. So this extension will come right here. This one is depreciated. Don't install this one. Install this one. About 2 million downloads it has. I've already installed it. So once you click the install button, the extension will be enabled globally. And now what you need to do, just open the shortcut key, go to the command palette, Control Shift P, and just right here type live SASS, and you will see this option, compile current SASS file. You just need to go to the command palette and just type here live SASS, compile current SASS file. So it is compiling it. So now you will see the compilation has been successful, and in the left hand side you will see it has generated this compiled this SASS to CSS file. It generated two files, CSS map file as well. This is your CSS file. Your SASS has been successfully compiled to CSS. So in this easy way, you can use this VS Code extension to directly compile your SASS into CSS, and this will save you a lot of time because you no longer need to use any sort of third-party library for doing this process. So in the VS Code editor itself, you can compile your SASS documents directly to CSS. Once again, let me show you how to do this. You open your command palette, just type here live SASS, and then you will see a bunch of options as well, but you need to select the first option, compile current SASS file, and then it will compile it and generate the CSS file. So in this way you can do this. And also at the bottom side at the status bar you will see this option appearing, watch SASS option. So this also does the same thing. In the status bar, it actually watches in real time. As you type your SASS code, it will compile all the SASS that you write in this in real time. So it is watching it. So let me just paste the SASS file automatically. Now, as you type something inside the SASS file, it will generate the CSS file automatically. So this is a little bit easier. You will see this icon. It is watching here. So it is watching your SASS file and it will compile it once you make any sort of changes. So this is a great little extension that you can install in VS Code, which directly compiles your SASS into CSS. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.